Namaste and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing this glass look for you. This is one of my favorite looks I've done so far. I've enjoyed making this video for you. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of my new videos. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're talking about how to get that glass skin, how to look that healthy skin. So I'm going to show you my tips and tricks on how I achieve that glowy, flawless looking skin. So I already went ahead and moisturized my skin, and for that I used this Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream today. And this is actually a really good cream. It gives you a good canvas to start with, especially for that glowy skin. So I'm not really going to use a primer today because I want to try this Huda Beauty's Not Your Mama's Pantyhose body highlighter, and this is in the shade Aphrodite. So I'm going to take out about 1 pump of it on my palette, and then I'm going to take this Morphe 501. This brush is very fluffy. You can take a setting brush as well. I just really want to work it into my skin, so I want something very light. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Now you can take it all over you. Ooh, that is a good glow. You can use it all over your skin, but I am only going to use it on my highlighted area. That is pretty. So as you can see, I concentrated this kind of right over here. I'm going to take a little bit on my nose as well. Then I'm going to take a little bit on my finger and I'm going to work it on my eyes as well. Now, it might look a little bit too much at the beginning, but don't worry. It will look a little bit natural when we put our foundation on. So for my foundation today, I'm going to go ahead and use this Laura Mercier foundation. This is the Radiance foundation and this is in the shade Suntan. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation using a wet beauty blender. And I'm going to take this all over. For my concealer today, I'm going to mix the 2 shades together. So I'm going to put Biscuit right just around here. It's a little bit more peachy tone. This concealer is a little bit lighter in consistency, so it works really nice with the look we're going for today. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Before Tarte Shape Tape came out, I used to be addicted to this concealer. With this makeup look, you want to make it look as natural as possible, so I'm not really going to use a lot of heavy products today. For contouring as well, I'm going to go ahead and use this NARS concealer, and this is in the shade Dark Coffee. I'm just going to carve up my cheekbones. I'm actually going to stop there for a second, and I'm going to blend that out first. So I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics No. 4 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and buff it out. See how it gives you that subtle contour? It gives you a shape a little bit, but it's not overpowering. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend it out a little bit more. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this highlighter, and this is from Artist Couture, and this is in the shade Hot Damn. I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to dip it in there. And then with very light hand, I'm going to take it right in that C area again. And even though this is a powder highlight, it actually does not come on your skin as a powder highlight. And usually I would stop with my highlight right here, but as you can see today, I'm bringing it all the way in. Next, I'm going to take this liquid blush from NARS, and this is called Torrid. I'm going to take its wand, and I'm going to just put 3 drops, very tiny drops. I'm going to build this color up just a little bit. I'm going to do one at a time. And now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend everything together. Next, I'm going to take my beauty blender and make sure there's no creases under my eyes. And then I'm going to take my Veil translucent powder, and I'm going to pick it up on my beauty blender. I am just going to keep it in this area. I'm not going to bring it down, and I will bring it over my eyes as well. I'm going to take a little bit of it around my mouth as well. Next, I'm going to use this No. 1 brush from BH Cosmetics, and this is actually a very light brush, so I want something very fluffy because we don't want too much product, and I'm just taking almost no product. And then just in a circular motion, I'm going to go ahead and blend everything together. Now I am using very light pressure. Like the brush is barely touching my face. I'm gonna let the products sink in. I'm gonna let them sit for a minute, and I'm gonna go ahead and work on my eyebrows by that time. For that, I'm gonna use this Benefits Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade 4. Next, I'm gonna take this NARS concealer, the same concealer we had used for contouring, and I'm just gonna take it on my eyelid. I am gonna blend it all the way. Just wanna concentrate the color right on my lid. And then using a Morphe 504, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So mainly on your lid. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. And then I'm gonna take this Benefits Sunbeam. This is a very, very natural but beautiful highlight. I'm just gonna take it right in the middle, kind of create that spotlight. But I'm gonna take this big brush and I'm just gonna tap it. I'm using very light pressure here, because I kind of want it to stay just on the lid. You see how it gives it a natural glow, but you got that shadow right there. Now, if you ever think it looks a little harsh, you could always take your beauty blender and blend it out. And that is why I love the beauty blender so much, because you can take it on any product. Now let's go ahead and put something on the lips. And for lips today, I'm gonna use this Posy Tint from Benefit. This is one product I've bought over and over the years. This is such a good product, and this is a very versatile product. You can use it on your cheeks, you can use it on your lips, you can use it on your eyes, wherever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and use it on my lips today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that just in the middle, and then I'm gonna take a small blending brush. This is a BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out. And now I'm gonna take this Omega bronzer from Marc Jacobs, and I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze it up just a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of it on my jawline. Next, I'm gonna take the spray from Patrick Ta, and this is in the shade Gold Pearl. And I'm gonna take this, and before it dries out, I'm gonna just use my beauty blender. This spray is so pretty. It just makes everything look so much nicer. For my mascara today, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. When you're doing this kind of a makeup, you kind of want the attention to be your skin. So for my lips today, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I actually really enjoyed creating this look for you guys today. I hope you enjoy watching it. If you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to say thank you for spending your time with me today, and I will see you next time. Ciao.